Hello, job seekers. Welcome back to our channel. New here? Please subscribe and thumbs up. Today we're exploring job opportunities in Kuwait, Qatar, Dubai, and Oman. Stay tuned for the latest updates. Watch till the end. It's worth it. Loyal subscribers, please like, share, and comment if you find it helpful. Thanks for your support.
Required for reputed agriculture and landscaping company in Kuwait. Online interview. Indian and Gulf experience both accepted. IT developer, salary 300 to 350 KD. Minimum 3 to 4 years of experience, strong background in cloud service, AWS, Azure, Hostogrators, GoDaddy, etc. Developing websites and applicants programming skills. SQL, Java, PHP, .NET. Familiarity with web development frameworks. Duty 9 hours including 1 hour lunch break. Accommodation, transportation, medical by company. Hiring for Kuwait. Online interview. Office boy. Salary 120 Kuwaiti dinar. Food included in salary. Note: minimum 2 to 4 years of experience in the same field. Maintaining office cleanliness, keeping the office premises clean and tidy, including dusting, sweeping, and mopping, providing refreshments, serving tea, coffee, and water to employees and visitors. Duty 10 hours, weekly 1 day off. Accommodation provided by the company. Required for IT trading company in Qatar. Telephonic interview. Pre-sales audio visual sales engineer. IT hardware sales specialist. 2 numbers required. Salary 3000 to 5000 Qatari Riyal. Must have 3 to 5 years of experience in audio visual sales and IT hardware technology sales. Proven track record in pre-sales and achieving sales targets. Project coordination, client management, technical experts, excellent communication skills. Sales executive, male or female. IT hardware sales and trading. 2 numbers required. Salary 1800 to 3000 Qatari Riyal. Must have 3 to 4 years of good experience in IT hardware sales tradings. Knowledge of IT hardware products and industry trends. Sales of IT hardware products, servers, computers, networking devices. Peripherals, etc. Client acquisition, customer support, sales targets. Dubai, urgent requirement, CV selection, online interview. Plumber, salary 1300 to 1500 dirhams. Minimum 3 to 5 years plumbing experience, 10 hours duty plus OT. Age below 45. ECR and ECNR passport accepted. Hiring for Oman restaurant, online interview. Waiter 5 numbers required. Salary 110 to 125 Omani Riyal. Tips approximately 60 Omani Riyal. Note: hotel management freshers can apply. English speaking candidates. 11 hours duty. Age 21 to 38 years. Veg food and accommodation provided by the company. Required for leading facilities management company in Kuwait, online interview. Light driver 25 numbers required. Salary 180 Kuwaiti dinar. Only Kuwait license valid or expired. Heavy driver, 25 numbers required. Salary, 200 Kuwaiti dinar. Only Kuwait license valid or expired. Terms and condition, duty 12 hours, monthly offs, minimum 2 days, age limit up to 40 years. No food, 2 years contract, only ISNR passport. Accommodation and transportation provided by company. Note, eligible candidate those who are left from Kuwait before 2 years.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.